Good evening and welcome to Such the Reality. I'm Nana Sareen and you are watching our news bulletin, The Reality Rundown. Let's have a quick look at the latest updates.
In a major drug bust, the Assam Police Special Task Force seized heroin valued at nearly rupees 2.5 crore in Guwahati. Acting on a reliable tip-off, the operation resulted in the apprehension of two peddlers, as confirmed by Assam Police Chief Public Relations Officer Pranab Jyoti Goswami. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma visited Raha in Nagaon district to review the construction of a tourist centre honouring Tiwa King Jongal Balahu. The Rs 50 crore project aims to highlight Tiwa art and cultural heritage with themed entry gates, cycle tracks, a museum and a convention centre. More than 10,000 students at Dhanamanjuri University in Imphal are grappling with uncertainty due to the absence of key administrative officials. This has led to class suspensions, exam cancellations and delays in issuing certificates. Students have appealed to Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, the Education Commissioner and the Manipur Governor for the appointment of regular administrative staff, spurring actions after a recent meeting with the Governor. The Southwest Garo Hills Police apprehended 3 individuals at Borkona under Monabari OP, Ampati jurisdiction and seized 1.06 kgs of Yaba tablets. The individuals identified as Mustafa Sheikh, Meter Ali and Nur Abdin are all residents of Assam. The century-old Kharchi Puja festival commenced on July 14th at the Chaturdas Devta Mandir in Old Agartala. This 7-day event, focused on the worship of the ancestral deity of the Tripuri people, saw the participation of Tripura Chief Minister Manik Saha. Tensions escalated in Jiribam district as violence broke out, resulting in the death of CRPF Jawan Ajay Kumar. According to Meitei groups, the incident occurred amid heightened ethnic tensions, with Kuki militants allegedly attacking Meitei communities with bullets and bombs. The assault caused the burning of houses and widespread panic. The flood situation in Morrigaon remains grim, severely impacting the lives of numerous residents. According to the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, this year's floods have claimed 91 lives across the state, with over 8.40 lakh people in 21 districts still affected. June 25th will be commemorated as Samvidhan Hatya Divas to remember the 1975 emergency. Sunil Ambedkar, Akhil Bharatiya Prachar Pramukh of the RSS, criticized the emergency as a grave error against democratic values. He highlighted the Sang's long-standing opposition to the emergency and noted the imprisonment and torture faced by its workers. Thiruvenkadam, an accused in the murder of Tamil Nadu BSP state president K. Armstrong, was killed in a police encounter in the Madhavaram area near Chennai. Additional Commissioner of Police, Chennai North, Narendra Nair, confirmed that the encounter took place today and that an investigation is underway. Bhupinder Singh Hooda, the leader of opposition in the Haryana Assembly, extended his congratulations to the state's athletes participating in the Paris Olympics. He highlighted the government's focus on inspiring youth to engage in sports as a means to steer them away from drug abuse, emphasizing the need for continued encouragement and support for these athletes.
Thank you. For more updates, keep watching Such the Reality.